We are a family of 5 who spend most of our summers sailing around in our 28-foot sailboat Helios. Join us as we journey through the rivers and the canals of Europe on our way to the Mediterranean Sea. Hi guys, so we're back on the boat and the next project is to get the platform mounted. And in order to do that, I've had to peel off all this carpet down in the boys' aft cabin. And as you can see, there's still a lot of stuff stuck to the hull that I have to get rid of before we can mount the platform, because we have to screw through the hull here. And in order to do that, we'll be needing two tools. This multi-tool with a scraper in order to get all this stuff off. And then probably a sander when we're done with that to get the last remnants off. So let's get to work. Well, this is certainly a nice mess I've gotten myself into. If I'd known it was this hard, I probably never would have started. But there's no way back now, so let's just continue. Well, this is going nowhere slow. I think we're gonna need some chemicals because there's just so much old sticky glue. So it will take the rest of the year if I'm gonna continue like this. But at least we got all the carpet off, so now we can make some holes for when we're going to mount the platform. Then I'll figure out how to get the rest of this stuff off later. Well, I went to the hardware store, and according to the nice lady there, they don't really have anything that can remove glue. And even if they did, I'm kind of worried about damaging the hull if I get something too strong. So I guess we're back to sanding, but at least I got some grainy sandpaper. So I guess I'll just have to get at it. Well, I finished just about half of this last weekend, but it's taking a very long time. And the worst thing about it all is that now that I've started, it means I'm gonna have to get rid of all this carpet on both sides here also. So this is going to take a while, but there's nothing else to do but just get on with it, I think. This is taking forever. Then I remembered when I scraped the bottom of the boat a few years ago. I had this thing and it's working wonders. So it's much easier now. And so I got the family to come down and bring it down to me. And they also brought some food, so that was nice. So I'm finally finished sanding it all down. There's still a little bit of glue left, but it's as good as it's gonna get. And I brought the wife along to help clean up my mess.
As usual.
Division of labor. Der vi bor nu. Det ser rigtigt ud. Ja, så pas på, at man ikke besværer det her helt forkert ud over det. Ja. Hej, hej. Der er en. Har du den? Hvor langt er der ind? Ta-da! Sådan. Det fungerer jo godt. that was exciting. The crane malfunctioned and almost drove into the water. So, but now we're in and everything seems okay. So let's see if we can start the boat.